Guys, welcome back to the July ticker to watch, and this was in collaboration with all of you guys. And thank you so much for submitting these tickers. And this is why, as a team, we are able to complete more, in my opinion, as a group than even as individuals. I'm just one person, but you guys have all these fantastic patterns. Which stock do I have on here? I have MU Micron Technologies. I have it on the 180-day chart, and you guys can see a very nice defined pattern of higher lows plus higher highs. The low we made was around $50.60, and we're seeing some up move now. We also know that, look at this, higher high, so our buy points would be around the low. If you didn't get in, that's perfectly fine. But if you guys can look at the high, it's around $65 and change. That is the potential it could go should it go higher. I want to take you guys to the 1 year chart as well, just to show you how nice this obeys the moving average. Here's the 150 SMA line showing by the yellow line, and you guys can see that we pretty much kind of touched it every single time right here, touched it here, bounced up, touched it here, and now there's a great potential for it to go up. Note that initially, look at it down here, when we're near the bottom, the volume is a little low on the bottom, and here we have volume that is kind of low, but once we do have buyers coming in, we do expect volume to increase at the very least a little bit. So I would be looking for a volume increase, especially as if price goes up. Look how the MACD is curving up, right? So this is something we want to see, and I want to show you guys the 3-year chart as well. And look how nice this looks too, all right? So right here we have a massive uptrend, and I like actually how we're making these bumps. You guys can see these bumps up here. I do like that trend. So you guys can see that, right? We pretty much hit the 20 EMA, bounced up. Hit the 20 EMA, light blue line, bounced up. Hit the 20 EMA. Well, what do you think is going to happen, right? And so it doesn't have to do that, which means every time we get into a trade, we do have to manage our risk and our stop losses. But yeah, this is a nice sign in my opinion as of today. So hopefully you guys can put that in your watch list, or just have that in your mind if you want to. So thank you for watching this content video. If you like this video, this is extremely I'm extremely grateful to see all the views. So if you guys can put that like, I kind of know if you kind of want to see more of these videos in the future. In the meantime, we have called out previous tickers like Payc, P-A-Y-C, and we'll revisit those tickers as well in the future. But for now, thank you so much. You guys can check me out on Facebook, YouTube, where you're doing right now, and a trading course that I'm making is also in development. In the meantime, I'll see you guys in Stock Talks, and adios.